How to fix CapCut freeze problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix CapCut freeze problem on Android phone. First, open settings and now go to battery here, and if you found this one here, performance, just enable it, or that's it, or you can just disable power saving mode, and that's it. Then just go back and then go to storage and then clean up. Now just clean some space here, or you can just clean it from your gallery if you want, and then just close all the applications in the background. Click this one here, and that's it. Now restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.